Good morning, Miss Nelson's class. How are we doing today? It's Thursday, May 14th, 2020, 5-14-20. Yahoo! It's the day before Friday. We are so close. All right, let me get your day going so that way you can get this stuff done and enjoy your weekend, okay? I will have class check-in at 11:30 to 12, so if you're needing any help of finishing any last-minute homework or just want to make sure they're doing their performance task correctly, hop on there at 11:30. I'll be on there. Okay, for science, this lesson 4 is optional. You don't have to do it, but it's fun. If you're an animal lover like me, I just love learning as much as I can about animals. So you're just listening to some fun facts about animals. Totally optional, give you something to do, and then share with your family what you've learned. Excuse me. For your performance task, it looks like this when you pull it up. You're going to choose an animal. You're going to draw the body of an animal and label it. You're going to find where the animal lives. Where is its habitat? And not the zoo. The zoo is not an answer. That is not where it would normally live. So find where he or she would normally live if she were living at the zoo. Okay. What does it like to eat? And you can also draw and label these. It doesn't have to be all writing. Just draw. If it eats salmon, draw salmon and label salmon. Okay. And the life cycle. We've been learning about that with frogs and butterflies. Every living thing goes through a life cycle, okay? So however you want to do that, put it right in there. And then I would love to hear a fun fact that you learned about your animal. I would keep hold of these. Do not throw this away when you're done with it. After your parents have taken a picture of it and sent it to me, keep it. You will need this. Let me repeat this. You will need this for next week for your science project, your finale of all of this, learning about animals and life cycles. Okay, so keep this. It will make it so much easier on you for next week. Okay, so hold on to this, baby. All right, that's for science. For math, again, today's lesson 4 is totally optional if you feel like you need to review some more about 2D and 3D shapes. Okay, if not, if you're ready for your performance task, hop on there. It looks like this. Okay, you just put your name on there. They've got 4 shapes. And they've got different words up here that you could use, a word bank. Not all of them will be used because there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but there's only 4 pictures. Okay, so each word will be used once and one of the words won't be used at all. Okay, then you're going to tell me an attribute. What is it that makes it that shape? Tell me about it. Okay, that's what that means. Easy peasy. ELAR, it's not optional. You have to. It's just such a complex lesson that we're doing. We just want to make sure that they get it right. Miss Buchuk has another video that you are going to watch. Okay, and her finishing up how then we pull everything together about learning about themes and lessons and topics that the author wants us to learn. And right here, let me highlight this part real quick so you can see this. All right, on lesson 4, where it says, one lesson I learned in blank, that's where you would put in the name of the book. Is blank, what did you learn? Go back to class tag. I have it tagged with different examples. If it's not coming to you very easily, go back and look at those pictures. That one picture I have of an example of all different lessons authors try to teach us. Bravery, being honest, telling the truth, how to be a good friend, and etc. Okay, so you would write, one lesson I learned in, what the title of your book is, tell me what you learned. I know this because that's where you give me an example in the book that happened. Okay, and then you give me another example, example number 2 from the book. Then put a pretty period at the end And voila, you are done. For your performance task, I have already put up a book for you. You are doing the exact same thing that you have done all week with Miss Buchek. So where I have it highlighted pink, you can copy those sentences if you want, and you fill in the blank. Don't make this any harder. We've given you the sentence stems. Use them if you'd like. Makes it a lot easier and less stressful on you, okay? So for your performance task, if you want to choose your own book, that's perfectly fine. I have one posted up if you want to use that one instead. You would write one lesson I learned in, tell me the title of the book, is what did you learn? What's the lesson the author's trying to tell us? I know this because I need one example, then I need example number 2. 2 examples from the book that the author has shown you or events that have happened that will match with the topic, the lesson that the author is trying to get you to learn. All right, so easy peasy. Hope to see some of you guys at our class check-in. I would love to get everyone all finished up. I got to start doing and putting more and more grades in the report card. So, all right, have a fabulous Thursday. If you need me, get a hold of me, and we will talk soon. Bye, my friends. Oh, my heart, and your heart. Have a fabulous day. Bye.